I'm afraid to speak because I don't want to make a mistake. Actually, not speaking is your biggest mistake. Mistakes are inevitable. They are expected and are an integral part of the learning process. Don't cripple your progress. I don't want to be laughed at. Well, true, they may be laughing at you, but also at your mistake. So laugh along with them. Learn to laugh at yourself. You are less likely to make that same mistake again. You don't need to learn grammar, just speak. What would happen if drivers decide not to follow the road code? The same thing happens when grammar is not observed. Grammar is a set of standards that dictates how, when, where, and why, just like the road code. Learning it is essential. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as you understand what I'm trying to say. True, perfection is not a must, but you do want to improve your skill. After all, we all grow, don't we? To illustrate, almost everyone will find this cute, but many would find this very concerning. Do not translate to speak. Adults do not learn a language the way children do. Adults associate and compare what they're learning to what they already know. When you learn a language, you naturally do the same. So, translating is key. Learn then the proper technique. Translate structure. If the structures are the same, a word-for-word translation works. If they differ, then you translate the structure. That way you think in the language. My teachers were not good. Remember, your teacher is your guide. They can do so much and no more. Much of your progress depends on you. So take responsibility for your level of progress instead of blaming others.